So this is the counter that I will be removing this side part, the formica off the side, so that I will have a better adhesion with the tile. I'm going with 2x2 mosaic tiles on top. You'll see that in upcoming parts of this video. But I'm already stripping off the perimeter. Okay, I already took the sink out. So I got this whole counter to do. Then I got this little counter to do. And then I have this little L-shape counter to do. So I won't bore you with all the details of taking off the perimeter. And yeah, because it's going to be noisy, and I'm just using a multi-purpose tool to cut the formica off, or to peel it back. And then I'll DA or sand this all down and get it ready to I'm going to put a piece of Luan underneath here so that tile can sit on top of this. You'll see when I'm done with that. But I don't have a tripod, nor do I have somebody to help me video tape this. So I'm gonna just show you like little clips of this as I progress forward on the project. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we have it. I have the ledge on here so that the tile can sit on top of this. Oops, sorry. Tile can sit on top of this, being that it's on an edge like this. I didn't want it to drop out. I also sanded down the counter with 80 grit, and then I also took a side grinder and just kind of put all these hash marks in it. So next will be just laying the tile around the perimeter, and then I would have to let that dry. Then come back and do the tops. All right, after the tile dries, and I'll remove these strips. All right, stay tuned. Okay, just another update. I have the tile all on the perimeter around the radius. And then along the corner there by the sink. Got the little one over there done. And also the L-shaped all the way down the end. All right, stay tuned for the top. All right, bye. All right, and here's another update. I got the whole countertops tiled. Got all the back pieces in, all the side pieces. And then I also did the small little cabinet there next to the stove and back to the L shape. Now I'll wait for it to dry, and then I'll do the grout. Alrighty, well, stay tuned for that. That would be my final video. All right, thanks. All right, guys, here you have it. All the grout's down. It's going to dry up a little bit lighter than what it is right now. I dropped the sink in temporarily. Might get a new one, I'm not sure yet. So I had talked earlier on the video about this being radius. These corners, they're not. The actual countertop originally was on a, well, it is a radius, so when you do these 2-inch tiles, they obviously don't bend to the curve. So I cut the tops to kind of match these. So same thing over here. So it's not a complete radius. So here you have it. A little counter over here. It's all done. And then back to what I call the L shape. It's more like a J, isn't it? Keep saying L, but yep. So there you have it. Thanks again for watching. If you like this content, please give a thumbs up, like and subscribe if you choose. Again, thank you for watching. Have any questions, leave a comment below.